So if we can say that human perception is the faculty of capturing the environment using senses and mind, then we can say that machine perception is the faculty of capturing the environment using sensors and processors. So the challenge there is that each sensor captures the information in its own way. So the processor has to be able to integrate that information, that incoming source of information, and in order to perform the perceptual task, being able to detect the object of interest, being able to track them, understand their behavior, and predict their motion, for example. So we will all agree that a good sensor fusion method should both exploit the complementarity of the data that is captured by the sensor, as well as the redundancy of the sensor data. So this way you will obtain a reliable and robust perception system. Just to quickly go over the main sensors that are used in the context of perception system. So the camera, obviously, it's a passive sensor that relies, however, on an active source of light in order to, and the camera will capture the reflection of this light on the environment. The thermal camera detects the heat emitted by warm bodies in the environment. You have the lidar and the radar that are both active sensor. They produce, or in the case of lidar, it emits just a laser light, and in the case of radar, it will transmit a waveform. And basically, these sensors will interpret the environment based on the information that is bounced back on the object of from the object of the environment.